In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D figures using Google Gemini AI, focusing on crafting your very own Pokemon world. Let's dive right in, and together, we'll explore how you can bring magical creatures like Pikachu and Snorlax into a wonderful cinematic fantasy setting. The first step is as simple as opening your browser and heading over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, we're going to type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will help us locate the tool quickly. After hitting enter and seeing the search results, look for the official Google Gemini website and click on the link. This will direct you to their platform where the magic truly begins. Now that you're on the Google Gemini site, it's time to harness its creative power. You'll see an option to create image with a banana icon, and you'll want to click that. It's here that the real creativity starts to unfold as we prepare to generate a 3D image in a highly immersive Pokemon-themed environment. After you click on Create Image, you'll find a plus sign icon, which allows you to upload a photo. This feature is really useful if you want to customize or incorporate existing pictures into your creative process. While you might not do that initially, it's something to keep in mind for future projects where you might want to integrate more personal images into your designs. Next up is the fun part, crafting your prompt. This is where your imagination can run wild. For today's project, let's construct a scene by crafting a prompt like this: a cinematic fantasy portrait of a young man peacefully surrounded by Pikachu and Snorlax, glowing with magical energy and golden light in a surreal Pokemon world. With such a vivid description, Google Gemini AI will understand the creative vision you're aiming for and generate something truly magical. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, the final step is to click on the Submit button. This action propels your creative concept into motion. The AI will start working, translating your prompt into a stunning 3D image that captures the whimsical essence of the Pokemon universe. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've used Google Gemini AI to construct a 3D figure with all the enchanting charm of Pokemon. This method not only showcases the potential of AI in creative endeavors, but also allows you to express your imagination in captivating visuals. Whether you're creating for fun or aiming to enhance your digital art skills, this tool provides a fantastic platform to explore and experiment with your ideas. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!